So the next question is Visha plotted a graph between concentration of R and time for a reaction R gives P. On the basis of the graph, answer the following questions. The first part is predict the order of the reaction. Second part is what does the slope of the line indicate? Third part, what are the units of rate constant? B part, a first order reaction takes 25 minutes for 25% decomposition. Calculate T half. T half means half cycle. So the OR part of the question is the rate constant for a first order reaction is 60 second inverse. How much time will it take to reduce the initial concentration of the reactant to its 1/16th value? B part, write two factors that affect the rate of a chemical reaction. C part, write two conditions for the collisions to be effective collisions. Okay, so we now move to the answers. The first part in A was asking the order of the graph. Since the graph is between concentration of reactant and time and is a straight line, therefore it is a zero order graph. The slope of the graph will represent rate constant, and third part is what is the unit of the rate constant, and the unit of the zero order graph rate constant in mole liter inverse second inverse. In B part we have to calculate the half time. So first we'll calculate the K. The K comes out to be 1.15 into 10 to the power minus 2 mole inverse. Now the formula for half time is T half the formula is T half is equal to 0.693 divided by K. So we calculated the K, and now after calculation the half time comes to be 60.2 minutes. Here K is the rate constant. So in the or question A part we have to calculate the time to reduce the initial concentration of the reactant to its 1/16th value. So first we calculate the half time through this formula, that is 0.693 divided by K, and here the value of rate constant is 60 seconds inverse. The half time comes out to be 0.0115. So we have to calculate for 1/16th. Half time the 1/16th of the reactant becomes first 1 by 2, then 1 by 4, then 1 by 3, and then 1 by 6. So in total 4 times the half time. So we multiply half time by 4, and answer comes out to be 0.046 second inverse. B part is the factors that affect the rate of chemical reaction. There are various factors that affect the rate of a chemical reaction, and we have to write only two. So two of them are the concentration of reactants and the temperature. And the last part is to write the two conditions for the collisions to be effective collisions. Uh, The cohesion should be greater than or equal to the threshold energy and lesser the activation emerge barriers.